Hi, I am going to show you on ways to how to roll folding this pair of pants here. First, spread it on a flat surface. Second, you fold it into two. You fold the top part of these pants like this. It's better if it gets as many as this, because you will be able to wrap it in the end. And then you fold it into two. As you fold it into two, you fold it this way, and then roll it. Roll it as thin as possible, because you want to insert it in your traveling bag, and you must wanted it to be small. So, and there you go. Easy for traveling.
Okay, hi. So next I will do roll folding blouse. Okay, first you fold your blouse like this. Okay, and then you fold like this. And after that, this sleeve you must fold it not more than this particular part. The same goes to the other side. Okay. Okay, next you roll it as thin as you can, and then you wrap it. And you're done.
Hi, so the last one we are going to do a tutorial on how to fold this 3/4 pen. So firstly, this part you fold it like this. Take a certain amount of the length, and next you fold it like this, and you just fold it like this, and lastly you wrap it. You wrap it like this, and then take out the part you folded before, and you're done.
Alright, this is all that we can show you guys about our show and tell. This is for our ELC121 class.
And we hope it's useful for you.
Give it a thumbs up.
Yeah. Bye bye.